Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the J.O.A.T.M.O.O podcast. This is your humble host, Jupe. Can I get a round of applause, please? All right, that's enough. That's enough. Let's get it going. Did you miss me? I missed me too. Let's get into it. All right, so today we're going to do something that's nearest and dearest to my heart, reggae. For those who don't know, I'm Guyanese. I represent the Caribbean culture to the fullest. Big up to all my Caribbean people. Big up to all my GT massive. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. All right. There we go. All right. So now let's get into it. You know, every generation thinks their music is the best. Reggae didn't just evolve. Reggae packed its bags, got a new passport, found a new job, and came back with a whole new personality. Back then, the red was for romance, the gold was for timelessness, and the green, the spiritual elevation. That spliff wisdom that they smoke, where the lyrics and the sound, they've been marinating in the sunlight. That's the colors that you see in the background right here. Today, reggae sounds like GPS coordination, the sneaky behavior. Back then, reggae was about love, unity, slow dancing barefoot in the kitchen while rice and peas simmered on the stove. Yeah, I can just visualize it in my head right now. Now reggae sounds like park 3 blocks down, creep through the side gate, and don't slam the car door. So tonight, we're going to look at reggae then and now. And to start this journey, we got to begin with the glowing golden era, the romance of reggae, the spiritual connection. Ladies and gentlemen, I call on the legend himself, Mr. Bob Marley. He got to get a round of applause. Respect to the boss. All right, editor, this is special right here. So we're going to set this mood right. I just want you to bring it down just a little bit. Just bring the lights down just a tad bit. Yeah, that's perfect right there. Let's get the music going. And we're going to get the lyrics up there right here. And we're going to start. I want to love you and treat you right. I want to love you every day and every night. Already, that man is talking about a long-term plan disguised as a hug. Right off rip. Let's continue. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. Not a queen, not a king, a single bed. Just one mattress fighting for his blood clot life. All right. We'll share the same room. Yeah. For Jah provide the bread. This man said, God got carbs. You know, I don't eat a lot of bread and stuff like that, but, you know, I've changed my diet. But anyway, we continue. Meanwhile, today's artists, they can't even provide an Uber ride home. Let's continue. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? I want to know now. I gotta know now. Listen, anytime a man is repeating himself like that, he's either in love or he's lost. You pick. Ladies, what y'all think there? Let's continue. I'm willing and able, so I throw my cards on the table. That was honesty, that was transparency, that was vulnerability. Some of you dudes and girls won't even throw your phones on the table. This dude was talking about he throwing his old cards on the table, the whole deck of spades. Bob didn't hide his emotions. He laid them out like a PowerPoint presentation in this song. Slide 1, love. Slide 2, devotion. Slide 3, share bread. Whatever. That was reggae then. The red was for romance. The gold was for timelessness. The green was for the spiritual high. But now the music shifts. And this shift isn't a small one. This is a whole left turn in the roundabout of culture. At some point, reggae stopped asking, is this love? And started asking, hey, your mind at home? Reggae went from courting energy to coordinating energy. From job provide the bread to make sure no one sees you walking up the stairs. We went from the golden romance to night vision mission impossible. So let's take a look at where we are today. Let's get this artist up here, Mr. Cranium himself. And the name of the song is Nobody Has to Know. Right off rip, we start off with sit down where they saw, bend where they saw. There's no hello, there's no how was your day. This is straight yoga class. Then he leads off with, you know me have a fat for you. Oh my God. Oh, sir. The romance didn't even get to the studio, sir. But I like it though. That sounds like something I would say. That sounds like something I would say. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, Bob Marley, I'm messing with you. You here with me, Bob Marley. We here, right? We here, right? But Cranium, he's spitting now. I like the way he's starting. He getting right to it now. Okay, let's keep going. Then we hit the chorus. This is where the secrecy entered the chat like a burglar. Nobody happy know, see me and you are Nobody happy know, so you a give it up. Nobody happy know, say you come over my yard. Baby, take off your drawers. Sheesh. Bob Marley wanted to tell the world he loves you. Cranium didn't even want the world to know you parked outside. He didn't want anybody to know you parked outside. This is not reggae romance. This is a covert operation. Then the verse goes, every time you come over, you act like you know I'm do it. And tell me, say, you sneak, you a sneak. Let me get that part again. And tell me, say, you sneak, you a sneak. Sneaking. Bob Marley barely wanted to close the curtains, man. But from the looking in your eyes, me see the freakiness. Bob Marley saw your soul. Cranium saw your Saturday night decisions. And then act like me say you treat you good. And then you say me not go hard. Bob Marley brought God into this. Cranium, he brought the bedroom bully into this. You understand what I'm saying? Again, I like what Cranium is talking about. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I had to choose, but anyway, let's keep going. Every time you come on me yard, you'll worry of your mind there your yard. That's not a relationship. That's GPS problems, fam. You want to know where the man is at? You want to know where Shorty man is at and all that? That's GPS problems, boy. Oh my God. All right, let's break this down like a therapist who's tired of hearing the same story. Bob Marley, he bought romantic. He bought transparency. He bought spirituality. He bought vulnerability. He bought sharing a single bed in the deluxe suite. I'll add that part. He asked, is this love? Bring God into the relationship. Bob Marley built a home, heart, and harmony. Reggae Now, Mr. Cranium, he was direct. I like that. I like that. Today, direct. He was tactical, secretive, energy of, don't tag me in the pictures. Oh, they don't tag me in the picture, mama. Come on now, don't tag me in the pictures now. You know what I'm saying? Put your location and all that stuff like that, but leave me out of it. Some of y'all girls do that too. Some of y'all girls, y'all don't be tagging cats in there. You know what I'm saying? Which I'm cool with. I'm cool with that. No conversations, just instructions. I like that. He also asked, you sure nobody's watching? So again, what? Direct, tactical, secretive, don't tag me in the picture. No conversation, just instructions. And he also asked, you sure nobody's watching? This isn't courting. This is coordinating. It's not romance. It's reconnaissance. This dude is looking out, trying to see what's going on. Here's the key difference in this. Bob, let's build a foundation. Cranium, let's make sure the phone is on silence. Bob, Jah will provide. Cranium, park 3 blocks down, shorty. Please don't let nobody see you coming to my crib, all right? And take off your heels, hold them shits in your hand. Ain't none of that clink clanking and all that stuff like that. I want nobody knowing. Don't nobody know. Bob asked, is this love? Cranium asked, is your man home? I'm looking at the camera. I know some of you. I've seen some of you. You know what? That's a whole nother subject. Let's keep going. 2 worlds, 2 completely different missions. And I'm not judging. Every generation music has its needs. It has its era. It has its time and its space. Some people want romance. Some people want adrenaline. Some want lyrics you can play at a wedding. Some want music you can only play in headphones with the doors locked. Some of these new artists want plausible deniability. But that's the beauty of music. It reflects the culture, the people, the season that we're in. Just make sure you know what season you're living in, because some of y'all think you're in Bob Marley situation, when in actuality, you're really with Cranium collaborating. One is building a future, the other one is building an alibi. As always, to understand the world, you first have to step out of your own. And some of the greatest lessons aren't found at home, they're discovered on the road. Until next time, this is your boy Jupe, J.O.A.T.M.O.O podcast. We are out of here. Peace.